Hi students, welcome to the previous year question sessions. So this question is asked in your last public examination, okay? So such an important question from trigonometry lesson. Many of the students did not attend the question. But this really important and very easy, right? Yes, go to the video. See, take LHS and RHS, right? So you have to prove. Okay, so first of all, we have to know all the formulas, right? Yes. So this is tan theta and cot theta, everyone, right? So what is the relationship between tan and cot? Yes. So tan theta equal to, so that is the ratio between sine and cos. You know very well, right? And what is cot theta? That is equal to cos by sine. Okay. Then what is the relationship between tan and cot? So both are relatives, right? Reciprocal. So it is cot theta. We can write 1 by tan theta. Yes. And the basic first identity, that is sine square plus cos square equal to 1. Okay. Then look at the right hand side. The secant and cosecant is there. So what do you mean by secant? Is a reciprocal of cos, right? So 1 by cos equal to secant. And what is cosecant? So this is 1 by sin theta, right? Reciprocal of sin theta. And one algebraic identity. So what is that identity? AQ minus BQ. That is equal to A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. So this is a very important identity. We are going to use this problem. Okay, so this identity in this problem. See, what is this? Tan, cot, secant and cot, sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. This one and this identity. All are we are going to use in this problem. Right? So now look at LHS. So we are going to take this LHS and derive into the RHS. What is the RHS? 1 plus secant and cosecant, right? Yes. So take the LHS. Listen to me very carefully, right? Yes. So to write the question, LHS tan theta by 1 minus cot plus cot theta by 1 minus tan. Okay, this is our question. So as I said earlier, we are going to change cot theta. What do you write? Yes, we are going to write 1 by tan theta. See, 1 minus 1 by tan theta plus, here also we have a cot, right? So you can write 1 by tan theta and divided by 1 minus tan theta. Okay, yes. So what is the next step? Look at me carefully, right? See, here the denominator is 1, right? So what is in between? It is subtraction sign, right? Difference. See, this is a difference. So what we are going to do? So you are just taking a LCM method or cross multiplication, right? So both are equal, right? See, this one, this one, this one, butterfly method. So write this tan theta as it is by, see what is this ma? 1 time tan theta. It is tan theta minus 1 ones of 1 by tan theta. Do you understand this step? Right? Or else you can take LCM method also. So both are equal. Okay? Or else how will you do? You can multiply tan theta and tan theta, right? So if you multiply tan and by tan. So tan minus 1 the numerator and denominator will be equal. So this is a very important first step. Yes. Plus 1 by. So look at this tan theta. You can write here, right? And you can also write in the denominator. Okay. Yes. What's the next step? Okay. See, you can take this reciprocal. See, write this tan theta and this is tan by tan minus 1. Okay, so what is this one? This is all, yes, reciprocal. See, this goes numerator and this comes denominator, right? Yes. So this is a very important step. Okay, now, see, look at this one. This is tan minus 1. But look at this one. This is 1 minus tan. So, I want to make both them equal, right? So, this is tan theta. So, what I am doing right now, I can take this negative 1 outside. So, you can write tan theta minus 1. Do you understand this step, ma? Yes? Good. Now, what's the next step? Just multiply tan square theta by tan minus theta. Okay? So, this is minus. You can come transpose here. So, why? Because that is plus, right? So, plus into minus. Minus. So, you can write minus here. Then, what is the next one? Here, tan theta and tan minus 1 theta. Right? Yes. So, look at the denominator. It is not still equal. Right? So, what should we do? So, this term is equal but not tan theta. So, you have to multiply tan theta here also. Denominator and the numerator. Do you understand this step? Say like LCM method. So, if you multiply here, it is tan cube by, okay, then minus 1. Then you can write simply tan theta by tan theta minus 1. Okay, dear. See, look at the numerator. Is this look at algebraic identity which we have discussed earlier, right? Yes, you can write cube. So, what is this identity? This is like a cube minus b cube, right? So, that is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Yes, so now, see, this one and this one, right? A and b. So, what is your a? This one is your a. And this one is your b. Right, students? Yes, so we can write, see, tan theta minus 1. So, it's like this term, a minus b. So, I have written a minus b. So, what's the next step? A square. So, that is tan square plus ab. So, what is your a? It is tan theta and times 1. Right? So, we cannot write, there is no need of write 1. Okay? Then plus. See, this is plus. 1 square. Okay, divided by, write this one, tan theta, tan minus 1. Yes, then what is your next step? We can cancel because this is multiplication sign is here. So, you can cancel this one and this one. So, what do you get now? Yes, tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 divided by tan theta. See, such a term. Okay, so we have 3 terms in the numerator, right? So, you can split this like, see, by tan theta. So, the denominator is common for everyone, right? So, you can split like this. Tan by tan theta and 1 by tan theta, right? So, what is our next step? You can cancel. Yes, how do you cancel? This one and this one. So, you have left out 1. So, tan theta, right? So, we have 1 tan theta here. And if you cancel here, 1 is there. And this is 1 plus tan theta, you can write cot theta. But still now we didn't get the answer, right, students? See, 1 plus tan theta, then cot theta. So, we want the answer in terms of secant and cosecant. So, we can write, see, for tan theta, you can write sine by cos. Okay. For cot, you can write cos by sine. Okay, so this is positive sign is done. So you can multiply this one, and this one. Right, so this is like a butterfly method, right? So cross multiplication. So you have to know this one. 1 plus, so this becomes sine into sine, sine square theta, plus cos into cos, cos square theta, divided by sine theta into cos theta. So you know very well the identity, right? What is our identity? Just now we have find. What is that? 1 sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. This one. This is a very important identity, right? So you can write, yes, what you can write? 1. Yes, so 1 divided by sine theta times cos theta. Okay, students, see what is the next step? 1 plus. So you can write, this is a multiplication. So you can write simply 1 by sine times 1 by cos. Then, see, 1 by sine, you can write cosecant times, this is 1 by cos, you can write secant. So, finally, we get the answer as, so what's our answer? 1 plus secant theta and cosecant theta. This is our RHS finally. See, such a very big problem, right? In trigonometry lesson. I think so, right? But how do you find? This one is simple. How much you know the identities well, how much you practiced well. Okay, so that is very important. May I say again? Will you listen? Yes. So simply problem. Yes. So just I will give you speed recap, right? Tan by 1 minus cot plus cot theta by 1 minus tan. So in the place of cot, you can replace 1 by tan. So that's our first step, right? See, this one and this one we have replaced here, and we took cross multiplication. So you have to know this cross multiplication now. Okay, so if not, that will be difficult for you. Okay, yes. Then cross multiplication, this one, and this one. Okay, yes. So then we get tan minus 1 by tan. Here you just take this denominator and write this as here. Right. Then what is the next step? Tan theta. If you take the reciprocal of this one, tan in the numerator and tan minus 1 in the denominator. And if you multiply, we get tan square theta. Okay. Meanwhile, we have an important step. We have to take minus outside. This is a very important. We are taking minus outside. Why you are taking minus outside? Because, see, in the first one, it is tan minus 1. But here, 1 minus tan. So, I want to equalize the denominator. Okay, so whenever you have a fraction, this is also, in between we have a plus sign also. So, we want to equalize the fraction. So, for that, I am taking minus outside. See, this minus 1. And I am transposing here. Minus into plus, minus. So, here we have minus. Right? Yes. So, then again, tan, the denominator is not equal, so we are multiplying tan and tan. So, we have tan cube minus 1 cube. So, we are using algebraic identity. Right? And the identity, we can cancel one term, tan minus 1. And we are splitting this one. Right? The denominator is equal for everyone. So, we are splitting, so we get 3 terms. Okay? So, 1 plus tan and 1 plus cot. See, and for sine and for tan theta, you are writing sine by cos. For cot theta, you are writing cos by sine. And again, you are taking cross multiplication. You get this one. And from this identity, we get positive 1. Right? We are splitting and we get the answer. Right? So, such a simple one. Yes. But, see kids, you have to practice a lot. You have to do the problem at least for daily 1 week. Then it will be used. Okay. So that will be simple. Okay, I hope you all understand the problem. Thank you, students.